Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your Wells Fargo debit card PIN in 2025. With increasing cyber threats, keeping your PIN secure is more important than ever. Whether you're doing this for added security or because you simply forgot your old one, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide is based on the latest updates for 2025, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need access to your Wells Fargo account. That means having the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your phone or logging into the website from a computer. Make sure you're in a secure location. Nobody wants prying eyes around during this. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo app or go to their website and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your debit card. Step 2. Look for the Security or Settings option. This is usually under your account details. Click on it, and you should see an option to manage your PIN. If you're using the app, it might prompt you for additional verification like a fingerprint or a security code sent to your phone. Step 3. Enter your current PIN when asked. Don't worry, this is just to confirm it's you. Then, you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure, like a mix of numbers, and avoid obvious choices like your birth year. Step 4. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it and hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation message on screen or via email. And just like that, your PIN is updated. A quick pro tip. If you're having trouble online, you can visit a Wells Fargo ATM or branch for in-person assistance. Always double-check for any fraud alerts in your account settings to stay safe. There you have it. Changing your Wells Fargo debit card PIN in 2025 is straightforward and quick. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.